Hi everybody, my name is Colleen Menning and I am a Paparazzi independent consultant, and I wanted to just chat a little bit about our January promotion that we have going on right now with Paparazzi. This promotion does end on January 31st, so I thought I'd better get out there and tell you guys about it and about how fabulous this is, because this is the best promotion that Paparazzi will put out all year long for joining Paparazzi. So if you've been thinking about becoming a Paparazzi consultant yourself, you really want to consider doing it by the end of January, because you get a lot of free jewelry in your starter kit this month. So I'm going to give you a rundown of what each kit entails and how much they are and what you get for free, okay? So, and then if you have any questions about joining, about what you get in the kit, any of that kind of stuff, anything about Paparazzi, feel free to message me. All of my contact information is in the description of the video there, so you can contact me anytime, and I would be happy to help, because I would love to have you on my team, and I would love to help you get started on your Paparazzi business. So, we have 3 kits. The first one is $99, and for the first kit, it really is a starter kit. So it is the smallest of the 3. It's $99. It comes with 35 pieces of jewelry normally, and for the month of January, you get 5 free pieces in that kit. So your total of jewelry is 40 pieces. So in this kit, you get exclusive jewelry. You get blockbuster pieces, which are our best sellers that are available most of the time. I mean, they do sell out here and there, but they do replenish. So they are good selling pieces. And you also get a fashion fix set, which is what I'm wearing right now. You won't get this particular one, but you will get a fashion fix set, which is our auto subscribe subscription program that we have. So you can subscribe to Fashion Fix. You get 5 sets every month sent to you, and then you are able to take pre-orders for these sets and sell them before you actually have to buy them. It's a really great program. We sell a lot of Fashion Fix pieces, but you get the 5 free pieces. It's like, I think I want to say it's $68.75 plus tax, depends on where you're at, where you're located, and plus shipping on the Fashion Fix. So it depends on where you're at, but it's average $75-$80 a month or something like that. But you get 5 free pieces, or 5 sets with 4 pieces each, so 20 pieces, plus you get free pieces. In Hostess Rewards, you get exclusive pieces, so it's a pretty cool program. I do have a video that tells you a little bit more about that Fashion Fix program if you're interested. But with the kit, with the $99 kit, you do get a set, one of these sets with it, so or a Fashion Fix set. It just depends on what month it is that you join and which one you would get. So. But the $99 kit is a really great starter kit if you're kind of unsure about whether you're really into this or whether it's really going to work for you. The $99 kit is an excellent choice. It is a starter kit though, so if you're really wanting to get started, like if you're thinking you're gonna just go all in and do a live video, start out with live videos, or if you think you're gonna be doing vendor events, you may want to consider a bigger kit, because you do get more jewelry and you do get more free pieces with the bigger kits, okay? So it just depends on what you're doing and what your plan is with your business. So for the $99 kit, it also does come with a necklace bust, one of those velvet necklace busts. It does set you up for your business right away. You get the little pink merchandise bags. They're so cute. I can't tell you how much I love watching when I'm at a vendor event and you see all these people carrying around these little pink bags. It is so fun. So you do get all the business supplies that you need to get started as well. Now, obviously, you have to supply your own displays, but they will give you a necklace bust in that kit. So they really are setting you up to for success right away, especially because you do get exclusive pieces in these kits too that we can't even buy. So you can really market that to your customers. So the next kit is the $299 kit. That one is our middle kit. It is excellent for if you are going to start out with live videos on Facebook, or if you want to do a small vendor event or something like that. You get 120 pieces with that kit, and then for the month of January you get an additional 25 pieces. So that gives you a pretty good start to for a small vendor event, or if you're wanting to start out with your lives. That's plenty of jewelry to get started on a live video. So it really is an excellent choice to get started. Now, obviously, with more jewelry, you also get more jewelry displays. I can't remember what display. I think it is you get a necklace bust, and I think you get a I want to say a bracelet bar. So with that kit, the more jewelry, obviously, you can do more with it. You're going to get more fashion fix sets. You're going to get more blockbusters. You're going to get more exclusive pieces. And actually, that's the set, or the kit that I started with. Now, I wish I would have started with the biggest kit that we have, because remember, we have 3. The next kit is $499, and I will tell you why I wish I would have started with that kit. So that one comes with 200 pieces of jewelry normally. Now for the month of January, you get 50 free pieces of jewelry in that kit. That's an amazing amount. That is more than the small starter kit comes with. So you're already ahead of the game if you purchase that kit. The 2 reasons, actually, I wish I would have started with that kit, because first of all, you get more jewelry, and it's a really great start for a bigger vendor event if you want to start that way. But you get a free Paparazzi annual convention ticket. So I missed the first convention when I went, because I didn't get the ticket, and I wasn't sure what I was going to do. I didn't know if I was going to be into it that much, and in the very beginning I didn't know if it was going to work out, all these reasons. So I didn't start with the big kit, and I instantly regretted it, because I would have gotten that ticket. Plus, when you buy, if you do the math, when you buy that $499 kit, you will find that 200 pieces equals just about $2.50 per piece. So normally our cost for this jewelry is $2.75. When you buy the new kit, or the big kit, you're getting it for $2.50. Okay, so you're getting it for less than what you would pay normally just by going and ordering it wholesale once you join. So that is amazing in itself. You're saving yourself some money, and you're getting it for cheaper, which means that there's more profit to be made on each piece. But for the month of January, because you get the extra 50 pieces, you're actually getting 250 pieces of jewelry in your kit, and that equals $2 per piece. So this truly is an excellent time to join, especially with the big kit, because you are saving 75 cents per piece. That's an extra 75 cents of profit put in your pocket, and that's going to set you up for more success right off the bat, because you're making more profit in the very, very beginning. So the $499 kit, yes, it's expensive. I know that, and I get that, and I know a lot of people can't afford that. That's perfectly understandable, but I want to make sure everybody understands that is the best value kit that we have. And because you do get that $200 free convention ticket, you also get the pieces for $2 a piece instead of $2.75. So it really is the best value that we have. And it's a business. You do have to invest in the business. So it's something to mull over if you are really thinking about getting going and getting started. If you purchase the bigger kit and you start out with a live video, you're going to make your money back fairly quickly, and you can start reinvesting and recoup some of the money that you've spent on your kit. Now, when you join, plus with the bigger kit, you do get more. I think you get all 5 fashion fix sets, and you get more of each of the blockbusters, exclusive pieces, and you get more display pieces. I believe you get the ring tray, which is perfect for our rings because our rings have the wide band, and Paparazzi supplies the ring trays that these fit into. So I've looked everywhere for ring trays elsewhere, and Paparazzi's ring trays are the best. They're the only ones that fit these. So something to consider. You get those extra. Now, you can buy those in the back office when you become a consultant, but you get it for free with your kit if you purchase the $499 one. So it's just a bonus. So with the kits, once you purchase a kit, you do have instant access to go into your back office, which what we call our back office is where we buy our jewelry at wholesale, and you have instant access to buy any pieces that you want. So some people like to buy the $99 kit, and they like to purchase more jewelry right off the bat that they can choose. That's perfectly fine. Because you can pick and choose what pieces you want, and it's not pre-done for you in a kit. Some people love that, but then there's some people that, you know, this is new to them. They don't know what pieces to choose. What are the good pieces to get? Well, a kit, when you purchase a kit, they give you all the best jewelry in the kits to set you up for success as it is. So buying a bigger kit with more jewelry, you know you're getting good pieces that are known for good sellers. They give you a good variety. The stylists help pick those out so that you have a mix for everybody. So, you know, it just depends on what you're kind of looking to do. If you want to have somebody help you decide what jewelry to get and have a great variety right off the bat, the bigger kit might be a better option. If you want to have control, the smaller kit would be a better option, and then you can go in and purchase more. But regardless, right after you join and purchase your kit, you do have access to buy whatever you want. You can purchase one piece, you can buy 100 pieces. It really doesn't matter. There's no limits. So you can go in and go shopping instantly. And I'll tell you, Paparazzi is an amazing, amazing business because, first of all, as a direct sales business, most direct sales companies you shop from catalogs. Well, with Paparazzi, we don't have catalogs because we are blessed with new jewelry every single day. Well, every single business day. Weekends, they don't come out with new stuff, but they release new releases every single day, which means that we have an unlimited opportunity for new sales. So every day that we have new jewelry, those are new pieces put in front of your customers to entice them to purchase more. So you do get more sales because you have more to offer. When you're shopping a catalog, you have a catalog for X amount of months, and that's all they get to shop from. So Paparazzi is unique in that we have pieces available daily. It is so amazing that they can come out with so much and just offer those opportunities for new sales every day. So it's really, really a great deal for us. So you can purchase, another thing that is really, really awesome about when you are able to go in and purchase your own jewelry, Paparazzi supplies us with one free piece for every 10 that we buy. They are called Hostess Rewards. So when you have a party, or if you have a party, whatever, normally we would give one free piece for every 10 pieces that we sell at a party. Well, Paparazzi compensates for that. So they give us a free one for every 10 we buy. So they're actually supplying those Hostess Rewards for free. So for every 10 you're buying, you're getting a free piece, which you can turn around and sell if you want, or you can stockpile them and give them as Hostess Rewards if you have parties. I personally don't do a lot of parties right now because I do Facebook Live videos mostly. So all those Hostess Rewards that I get for free, they go into my inventory, I sell them, and they are pure profit. Now, I do give away freebies on my live video, so I do use some of them, but I buy enough that I get a lot of Hostess Rewards, and most of them I don't give away as much as I get. So it really does end up being profit in your pocket. So it's awesome. Paparazzi is super, super generous to us. So anyway, I just want to just remind everybody that this is a really great way or a great month to join. Again, they do have another joining promo. I want to say September. I think they had a little something in June as well, but not nearly as good as this. This is the best promotion that we will have all year long. So like I said, if you are interested in joining, you've been thinking about it, you know, it's tax time. Use your taxes. Save up a little bit. You do only have a few more days left of the month, but if you can swing it, this is the best time to do it. So, all right. Well, if you have any questions whatsoever regarding Paparazzi, about joining, if you're already a consultant, if you have questions about your business, I'm always here to help. So I'm happy to answer your questions. Just message me. All my information is in the description of this video, so you can get a hold of me. Email, Facebook, I think my Instagram's on there. Make sure that you subscribe to this video so that when I do upload new videos, you get a notification. And check out my other training videos because I've got lots of great information about paparazzi. Lots and lots of training videos to get you started. So join my team. You will love it. I would love to have you, and do it in January because you get some free jewelry. Okay? All right. Well, thanks so much for watching, everybody, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.